Whoa, that feels nice. Oh, that's pretty cool, hey? I love the blue stuff that they put in the water to make it look like really crystal clear water. Hey, so we made it to the Dantewanda Land of Angels Waterfall Park. This is an extremely touristy spot.
Oh yeah, we're finding that out. Trying to find somewhere to park. There's little buses everywhere.
I think we'll probably find the same issue with finding somewhere to sit. All right, so let's go in and see the wonders of the Angel Waterfall Park.
We'll walk that way because there's less people going that way.
We will, yes.
It says toilet, but we'll walk this way.
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter as long as we're walking against the crowd and not with the crowd. It'll make me happier. Oh, that's quite pretty, isn't it? Whether it's man-made, whether it's not, it really doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't really make much of a difference. It's still pretty, hey.
Well, we can't climb it. Not all the sticky waterfall.
No. We've done, like Dave said previously, we've done the sticky waterfall. We've done the others. Well, if you've watched our videos, you'll know what happened at the sticky waterfalls. We might stick that at the bottom of the description, so you guys can have a look at that one too.
In that one you won't see me falling down, which I did on the green moss.
Look at this beautiful waterfall. Check it out. That is so pretty. So tell us about the waterfall, Dave. Is it nice there? Do you want to jump in? Let's see how far we can actually go without drowning. And covering the GoPro with water. I don't think I can go that far. Is there an outway there, Dave? Is there an outway?
No, it takes you back that way.
Oh. Whoa, that feels nice. Oh, that's pretty cool, hey? I love the blue stuff that they put in the water to make it look like really crystal clear water. It must be some kind of blue dye. I hope you can hear me. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that goes back out that way. And then, wow, I like it. Try to not get wet.
It's pouring down with rain from the waterfall. You're talking, I couldn't hear a word.
Oh, I just said try to not get wet.
No, that's not going to happen.
I just stood there and it just feels so beautiful.
I don't know if they put a colour in the water.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you guys. Hey, I love the blue dye or whatever it is that they put in the water to make it look crystal clear.
Yeah. That's coming down and blowing the air in. It's like an aircon.
Yeah. I could have that at the other side of my condo, for sure. Oh, you're slippery. One thing I have to say, these little shoes, little runners that I bought on Lazada are absolutely magnificent. I expected them to last for about 3 months, and they're, well, yeah, 2 weeks, but they have just been phenomenal. Got a garden over there that they've started by the looks of things.
You might have to go around the other side.
Fast forward to the next one. They also have this little pen of goats that you can go into and feed them, as you can see. Oh, it's just a baby. Oh, I don't know, Dave. I kind of do.
Food over there for lady.
Mm.
At least these aren't.
You want some also?
No, it's all right. I'm still traumatised from the geese.
I remember the geese. That was such a fun time.
Judy's going back to her childhood.
I am. Come in, don't let the goatee out.
Oh, no.
Hello.
Oop.
Hello. Oh. Do you want some grass? Do you want some grass? Oh, you're a bigger one. You want some grass too? Yes. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. That's a little boy. This is a little boy. Oh my goodness.
Did you have one as a pet, Judy?
I did.
Yes.
I did. My sister and I had a goat each, and I was eating my shoes.
He's got your shoes. Oh, that's it.
That is so cute. He's eaten the end of the lace. Oh, that's
Oh no, he's going to eat the whole lot of you shortly. If you fall over, Jude, you know your history.
Let me look. Okay. All right. I'm not letting that go.
No, Jude, what's the guy's behind you?
What guy?
The guy goat.
Hey.
He's climbing up your back of your leg.
Wait. Are you taking photos as well? Oh my goodness. I can't even do up my shoelace because somebody wants some green stuff. I need to double tie the other one as well. Someone's been bleeding on there. Oh, that's gross. Hang on. Out of the way.
That's mine.
Out of the way. Out of the... Hey. I'll give you a leaf.
No, you can't eat my shoes.
Maybe you'll go. Hop down. Hop down. Oh, my goodness. All right, I need to put my shoe.
That's the
Not on blood.
This one's trying to get me off. Jude, your hair.
Hey! No!
They'll eat anything, so if you lay down, you won't be here in half an hour.
I can imagine how much poo comes out of, how much hair comes out of their poo.
What's
There's
that?
a little baby one right behind you.
I know, he's trying to nibble at me.
No, get off my laces. No.
I've got more chance of getting to you, haven't I? I can't. I've got both hands full.
Oh, that was not fun.
Jude?
Hey, you guys.
Look, he's eating. I'm not doing very good video in here.
Little one. Oh, geez. You got it, little one? No, I'm feeding the little ones now. Oh, like I did with the monkeys, remember?
Yeah, then the big one comes. Hello, I haven't got anything.
That did not work out well for me.
I'm sorry, but no, that's not what you're going to eat. That's my pocket.
Hey,
No!
Hey.
You cannot eat my pocket.
Hey.
Okay, Jude, I think it's time to get out before we lose all our clothes.
All right, okay. That's so cute. I'm walking in.
I think this is getting a bit hot now.
Okay, no, you're not eating my shirt. All right, off you go. Off
Just
you go.
throw it over there and run.
Off you go. There you go, baby.
Now we're going to get out of here. Okay.
There you go, babies. All right, what we do is this.
You stay
You
there.
ready? You ready? You watching? You watching? You watching? There you go. There you go.
No, you're fair game. Little carnivores.
Good luck. Got eaten.
I know, the little carnivores.
But wait, there's more. Now, don't mind the sweaty face and the sweaty hair. It is a really, really sweaty day. All right. Let's go up here. Where the hell are we going? And that's really quite slippery. Oh, we thought we would exit while it's nice and quiet.
I'm sweating. No, I'm not sweating. We got drowned.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's a mixture of the humidity of the day and
We went into
activity.
There's a cave. All these people are looking at the cave and me and Jude, yeah, let's go down there. But you get so close to it, it's just woofing through and yeah, that's all right. Though.
Yeah. Yeah, I think some people are a little bit scared of water or something like that. But yeah, we just wanted to get as close to the water as possible, as you could see.
Where it was earlier was just beyond that waterfall up top there.
Ah, okay. All right, pretty cool.
As we said, it's all man-made, but look what they've done.
Yeah, I know.
Like little, like angel garden, what they're saying, like little whence
Yeah.
the pixies and fairies come running
Yeah,
out.
yeah, exactly. It's like a special little oasis that they've carved out of space to make it a beautiful space. So there's another waterfall. Let me get around to show it to you properly.
I go into the engineering side of things. Oh, we've got some nice pumps for these waterfalls.
Please don't.
Okay, we'll go that way.
Hold on. So this is a little bit different. Obviously they're dyed because, I mean, you know, let's face it, they don't grow like that, do they? So that's
Sorry.
a nice little effect. A bit gaudy, yeah, I know. It's on the cheesy side. Yeah,
Good.
I get it.
Bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit? I'm not going into the bunny rabbit stand.
No. If you ever watch Monty Python and the Holy Grail, they've got big teeth.
Yeah. Monty
that white
Python
one?
lies. Isn't that cute? They're
And we got some
such cute little critters.
What?
Oh, they're bantam hens
Are
and
they?
chickens.
Watch out, don't
Yes.
put in the mud there, Jude. There's a big mud pile.
When I was little, I had a bantam hen, and that was kind of like, she was my pet. I would put her on the swing, and she would stay there until I came back outside to swing with her. Yeah, I know. I had a funny little childhood. I had a goat. I had bantam hen. We had pigeons, ducks, geese. Look at them. I love their fluffy little heads. They're just so cute. I'm trying not to get into that dirt and trying not to scare them at the same time. But they are absolutely adorable. Hold on, I'm just going to extend Gopi. Oh, you're cute. Yes, you are. You're cute. You're very cute. Little balls of fluff. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe.